Okay. Hello, good vibes, everyone. Ayan, so pwede na siguro tayo mag-start for batch 1. So habol na lang yung iba for batch 2. Hello, good vibes, everyone. And welcome to Cafe Business Webinar. I am Lenny, Business Dev Manager of Moonleaf and Lunar. Welcome to 15 years of brewing success. I hope you can own a Moonleaf or Lunar Cafe. Okay. So our agenda lang po for today, no? Our expectation for this webinar about the Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee brand. And then why milk tea and coffee businesses are booming. And then for CEO segment, yung brand sustainability and business advice and how to be a Moonleaf and Lunar franchise owner. Then also we have an Q&A consultation after the seminar. Pwede nyo ring ilagay sa chat box muna yung mga question natin and then pwede nyo ring unmute later kapag may mga question tayo. And also, we have a surprise exclusive discount for attendees only. So, let's start. To start off, may I call on Sir Patrick Malikdem to share with us more about the Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee brands.
Ayan. So, thank you so much, Ma'am Pauline. Sorry, Ma'am Lenny, for that wonderful introduction, no? And first, no, I would like to welcome each and everyone na nandito ngayon, lalo na yung ating mga attendees. Thank you so much po agad, no? Dahil nagbigay kayo ng time to become part of this business webinar. Okay? So, let's proceed po, no? Next slide, please. Ayan, so pakilala ko po muna sa inyo si Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee. Okay naman po yung aking audio, no? Clear naman po. Ayan. Okay, sige. About Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee, we founded this company way back 2010 po with over 80 plus branches nationwide and still counting pa po iyan. So, meron pa tayong mga soon to open na mga stores this coming months. And of course, no, looking forward for the upcoming years then. And we call our franchise na kung tawagin namin is dual concept. Why dual concept? Because we have milk tea, which refer to our Moonleaf Tea Shop na brand. And also we have coffee, which refer to our Lunar Coffee na brand. And proud to say na purely Filipino-owned, which was built on community and culture. Sa amin po, dito sa Moonleaf Tea Shop and Lunar Coffee, we envision to spread positivity sa ating community, no? So that's why our mission po is to spread good vibes, one Moonleaf cup at a time. Next slide, please. So, history lang and a quick business overview about Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee. So, like I've mentioned earlier, no, we've started this company way back 2010. We opened our first branch in Quezon City, to be specific in Magiting Street. Also opened our branches in outside NCR, which is in Laguna. After 4 years po, no, year 2014, we've started to expand not only sa labas ng NCR, not only in Luzon, but we extended our business operations sa Visayas and Mindanao. And of course, year 2020, di naman po lingid sa kaalaman natin na ito yung year na nag-hit yung pandemic, no? Lahat affected during this time, during the COVID time, no? Year 2020, not only in the Philippines but also in the sa iba pang bansa. So that's why, no, ang market noon is talagang nasa bahay lang. So si Moonleaf, ang ginawa niya is nag-elevate siya into e-commerce and ginawa din namin is to mag-apply kami ng mga delivery apps like yung Foodpanda, GrabFood, para mas maabot pa natin yung mga customers natin na nasa bahay lang. And after that year then, we launches our Moonleaf Eats, no? Later on the presentation, makikita nyo kung ano yung mga Moonleaf Eats natin, yung mga snacks, no? So aside dun sa core products natin ng mga drinks. And that's the time then na nag-start yung partnership natin with Selecta, of course with Magnum, and also we are a proud member of the Philippine Franchise Association. Isa sila sa mga prestigious franchise organization na kilalang kilala dito sa Pilipinas, and of course, not only in the Philippines, but sa buong Asia din and sa buong mundo. And year 2023 din po, dito nag-start yung ating partnership with Mr. Donut, collaboration with Nestle Team, URC, Mondelez, and even sa Mobile Legends. No? Mobile Legends is known pagdating sa mga mobile games. Yan, lalo na yung mga Gen Z, of course, with the millennials. And year 2024 naman po, last year lang ito, we launched our new coffee line. Ito yung brand natin na Lunar Coffee. Next, please. Okay, so with these slides, no, yung mga kasunod, ito yung mga drinks natin, yung mga menu, no. So about 40 plus variety of drinks yung ino-offer natin with Moonleaf. So with this one naman po, meron din tayong mga snacks, no? Ito yung nabanggit ko kanina na nagkaroon tayo, ni-launch natin yung Moonleaf Eats. Compose siya ng mga fries, waffle, even takoyaki, no? May ramen din tayo. And of course, pizza. So sa shop natin, talagang all-in na, no? Nandun na yung mga drinks. Of course, may mga snacks na rin tayong ino-offer. Yan. Part din ng mga products na ino-offer natin is yung mga Selecta ice cream products, which we called it Village Creamery, under Village Creamery siya, no? So same with the Mr. Donut, no? Ma-offer nyo na rin siya sa store natin, yung Mr. Donut. So it has no royalty, no? Parehas po, no royalty and advertising fee. So for the Selecta, projected ROI is 1 month. Free delivery po ito, no? Si Selecta ang magdi-deliver sa inyo. And inclusions provided po ng Selecta team yung freezer. Depende po yan kung gaano kalaki yung space, no? 8 to 21 cubic feet, handle menu as well, and online collaterals. On the other hand, the Mr. Donut, the inclusions po is yung Mr. Donut cabinet, no? So yung mga nakikita niyo sa mga convenience store, magkakaroon po kayo nun. And of course, this one is consignment basis, no? Kung ano lang din yung nabenta na donuts na products ni Mr. Donut is yun lang naman din po yung babayaran nyo sa kanila. And of course, provided then yung online collaterals. Next, please. Ayan, this one naman po is yung ating lunar coffee na menu, no? So we have signature and classic. Yan, sa mga coffee lovers po, no, na mga customers, even po kayo, is pwede nyo rin po itong matry, yung ating lunar coffee menu na drinks. Yan. So aside dun sa drinks natin na sa Lunar Coffee, may in-offer din po tayo na mga pastries like croissant, yan yung mga cookies, yan. So iba't iba variety of pastries yung ino-offer natin under Lunar Coffee din po. Yan. On this slide naman po, no, sasagutin natin yung tanong bakit booming yung milk tea and coffee businesses. Sige po. Pa-next po. Yan, for milk tea industry, bakit siya booming, no? So, there are facts, no? May mga study na ginawa kung bakit, no? Actually, the first one, it is ranked among the top 3 beverages in Southeast Asia. So, among siya, no? Kasama siya dun sa top 3 na nako-consume dito sa ating sa Southeast Asia based on the study of Statista 2024. And the second one, the category continues to grow by 8 to 10% annually. So napakalaki po nung growth rate ni milk tea industry dito po sa ating continent, no? Of course, with the Southeast Asian countries then. And the third one, it remains especially popular among Gen Z and millennials. So talaga napakasikat, no? Kilalang kilala at maraming may hilig din sa milk tea pagdating sa mga Gen Zs and millennials. Yan. On the other hand naman po, no, for the coffee industry, why is it booming po, no? The main reason, it is the number one consumed beverage in the world according to International Coffee Organization year 2023. So, nabanggit kanina, no, top 3 kasama si milk tea, no? I think the second one is more on soda. Ganyan siya. So, next one is the global coffee market valued at $126 billion. So napakalaki nung contribution ng coffee market sa buong mundo, no, sa global market, no. And additionally, is expected to grow 4.4%. So by the year 2024 onwards hanggang 2030. So napakalaki din nung growth rate nung market value, no, nung coffee industry sa buong global market. Okay, combined these two segments dominate coffee revenues worldwide, perfect for sustainable business growth. So combining these two na meron with Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee, talaga naman madodominate ng market na ito yung revenues natin. Next, please. So bakit naman, no, why Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee? So sa dami ng brands na pwedeng pagpilian, why Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee? So there are reasons behind that, no. The first one, trusted Filipino coffee brand for 15 years. So 15 years na yung kami sa industry. The ins and outs of the business is alam na, and the system itself is talaga namang sustainable na, no, and continuously improving and innovating yan. Affordable investment with high ROI potential later on, no? The latter part of the presentation is madidiscuss din natin yan kung gaano ka potential yung ino-offer naming franchise with you, no? And end-to-end franchise support, meron din tayo yan. And of course, flexible cafe format. So meron tayong kiosk, inline, or even full cafe, meron tayong ino-offer na ganyan. And lastly, the community-based experience-driven brand. So once na known na, no, yung binibenta mong product is talaga naman tatangkilikin yan ng community. Yan. For Moonleaf advantages naman, so There are four main reasons. So the first one is world-class product. Since food and beverage po tayo, quality is our top priority. Alam naman po natin yan, no? Na pagdating sa food, talagang napakalaga ng quality. And of course, with the premium ingredients directly sourced from Taiwan. So napaka-authentic nung gamit nating mga ingredients with our business, no? FDA accredited din tayo. We have in-house chefs and R&D team na tuloy-tuloy sa pagka-come up ng mga seasonal products and even yung pwede pa nating masama sa regular product lines natin, which is part of it yung ating innovation. The second one is a strong brand partners. Nabanggit ko kanina, we have partnership with Selecta, ma-offer nyo siya sa store nyo, even now the Mr. Donut, and of course, the Lunar Coffee line natin. The third one is digital partners. So we have GrabFood and Foodpanda, even GCash partnership, no? So kami po ang bahalang mag-onboard sa inyo yan, tutulungan namin kayo, and part of it yung support natin. And lastly, syempre, yung full support. So para po dito sa ating mga attendees na wala pang location or naghahanap-hanap pa lang po, no? We can help you with that. Meron kaming site assistance, meron kaming location library dito sa amin na may mga pre-approved locations din po. And also, pagdating sa paggawa, no, pag-build ng stores nyo, meron kaming mga accredited contractors na i-refer sa inyo. Accredited accounting for business permit. Ito naman yung tutulong sa inyo maglakad ng mga permits din, no? May mare-refer po kami. And of course, training is also provided, the grand opening support, and of course, the local marketing. Meron na tayong nakalatag na local marketing, no? And pwede nyong dagdagan pa yon, depende sa kung ano yung pwede pa nating gawin to your shop kung saan natin itatayo yan. And then 6-month hand-holding, actually hindi lang 6-month hand-holding ito. Throughout the entire operation is meron po mag-guide at magsusupport sa inyo. And of course, monthly consultation care of our franchise care officers. Next, please. So with this one, no, isa rin ito sa pinagmamalaki namin. Kung tawagin kasi namin yung full support namin is 360 degrees franchise support. Sa amin po, sa Moonleaf and even Lunar Coffee, no, we have 3 levels of support dito. The first level of support is kami po, no, nakausap at kaharap nyo ngayon. Kami po ang business dev team na tutulong sa inyo to decide what specific packages or franchise package ang magpi-fit po sa requirements ninyo. In terms of location, tutulungan namin din kayo if ever na wala pa kayong location, no? And of course, pagdating sa pag-evaluate kung feasible ba yung location na pagtatayuan ninyo, tutulungan din namin kayo dyan. And of course, no, bago natin i-settle and peace and madil lahat is ipapaunawa din namin sa inyo yung contract, no? So madi-discuss din po yung contract sa inyo, no, before tayo mag-signing. And once all settled na tayo lahat is ito turn over namin kayo sa second level of support. The second level of support is our activation team. Our activation lead will meet you po, no, tutulungan kayo, i-guide kayo with the timeline kung kailan kayo mag-open, of course with the recruitment, i-guide din namin kayo with the hiring. I mean, yung mga barista, so yung mga crews ninyo, and of course yung sa construction, gagayad din namin kayo doon. And sa training, no, napakahalaga ng training. So aside sa staff, meron din tayong management training. So after that, okay na tayong lahat, nakalatag na lahat ng ating mga gagawin, no? Yung mga requirements, business requirements is okay na po, no? Ayos na po, no? Once good to go na tayo, is mag-grand opening po tayo. Once mag-grand opening po tayo, ite-turn over namin kayo sa third level of support namin, which is our operations team. So we will be assigning you specifically by areas po, no? And franchise care officer kung tawagin namin. Sila po yung magiging best friend nyo throughout your entire franchise operations. So kung ano man yung mapili yung package, mapa 3 years man yan, 5 years man yan, or 6 years man yan, is guided kayo, no? Yun yung pinoprovide nila, yung support ni franchise care officer. So amin po, again, no, our business na ino-offer namin sa inyo is not just not a fly-by-night business na after natin ma-deal, okay na, settle ng fees, wala na kayong makakausap. It's a no-no po, no? Sa amin po, sa lahat po ng angle nung ating gagawin, no, hanggang sa mag-open, hanggang sa mag-operate tayo, ay meron at meron po tayo makakausap. So part of it nga po, nabanggit ko, activation team, franchise care support, staff and management training, delivery app, of course, social media reach, no? Gagawa namin din kayo ng Facebook page nyo, free delivery with the minimum purchase requirement din dito. And minimal din kapag malayo-layo po, minimal fee yung sa mga deliveries pagka malayo-layo din po, no? And then incentive program, so pag performing po ang inyong stores, talaga nagpapa-incentive kami. And of course, the nationwide activation. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao is nag-a-activate po kami ng store. Okay, I think that will be the wrap-up of my presentation. Kung may mga questions po, no, please papark po muna. I will be turning back over this discussion to Miss Lenny to introduce our guest speaker. Ma'am Lenny, thank you.
Alright. Thank you so much, Sir Pat, for sharing about Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee brands. And now, the highlight of today's event, let's all welcome our guest speaker, the visionary behind Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee, CEO of Emerald Leaf Franchising Corp, and Outstanding ASEAN Woman Entrepreneur Awardee last 2022. She'll share the brand's inspiring journey and her advice for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Miss Dawn Marie Sanchez.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Can I be heard?
Yes po.
Just
Yeah.
checking I can be heard. Okay. So hello, everyone. Thank you, Pat, and thank you, Lenny, and welcome to all of you who came here to listen to our presentation. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to us. My name is Dawn, and I'm here this afternoon to talk to you about business sustainability. Next slide, please. Okay, so as you can see in this slide, there's just a data that I would like to share from PSA 2022, showing that a total of 1,109,684 businesses comprise the entire enterprise in the Philippines. Now, among these number, 99.59% belongs to the small and medium enterprise. So a small and medium enterprise is like Moonleaf and Lunar, the one that we are presenting now, is a very good part of the economy of the Philippines. So if you are considering our brand, we will be a part of the 99.59% of MSMEs in the country. Next slide, please. Now on this slide, I will show you the graph of the employment in the country. So the color green, blue, green, and yellow composed of 65% of the country's total employment. So again, the employment in our country are all coming from the small and medium industries. So if you think of brands like Moonleaf, Lunar, we are a small and medium industry, and having us as businesses in the Philippines contributes to 65% of employment. So we give jobs, we help people by giving them new work or giving them opportunities by starting our small businesses. So no matter how small it is, combined together, all MSMEs are more than 50% that gives jobs or employment in the whole country. And that's very relevant contribution from all of us in the MSME. Slide. Okay, so just sharing about the statistics data. That's why it's very important to support small and medium enterprises in the country, because we really do a lot in our economy and we also help a lot of people. Now, I would like to share our business sustainability strategy in Moonleaf and Lunar. I'm happy to share that we just celebrated our 15th year anniversary last October 3, and there's really no big secret why the business lasted for that long. But if I can share something, I will summarize it into four, and that would be the purpose, organization, pivot, and praying. So let's start with the purpose. The purpose, it just means it just shows why you're doing why you're doing what you're doing, for whom it is for, what are you doing and for what purpose it is. So in our business, we always say, like what Pat said earlier, that we spread good vibes one cup at a time. So our mission is to give positivity, give happiness, kindness to other people, one cup at a time, one place at a time. And we always go back to that purpose, the heart of our business. Then if you always think about that one, you'll ensure that your products are good, your offerings are good, your flavors are well thought of, your raw materials are well sourced, and among others. Also, one of our purpose is we are a strong supporter of inclusivity and also environmental conservation. So our brand strategy, whatever we do, is with that we ensure that we are giving positivity and it's also supporting inclusivity and environmental conservation. Next is organization. So any organization, any business, it all starts, or the heart of that business is its people. So you take care of your employees, you take care of your people, you take care of those that work with you. They're gonna take care of your business. So we make sure that we listen to them, they are heard, we see that they are well taken care of, we see that it's a good um, organization or company to belong to. When they're happy, ensure that your business will truly thrive and grow. So you always have to take care of your people. Next is pivot. So this is very important because as a business, you always have to be ready to change or adjust in what the situation requires. In the modern day, no, it's very volatile. So the word is VUCA. It's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So there's constant unpredictable change in the modern business world. So with this, you always have to prepare to pivot and adjust in whatever the demands or the trends are in the modern world. And then, of course, pray. So I will share my favorite Bible verse, which is Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to um, plans to what sorry plans to conquer you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future. So you give your best, you give your absolute best self, but in the end, God will always do the rest for you. So if it's meant for you, it's good for you, God will give it to you because that's what he wants for us, a hopeful future. So for business sustainability, this is our secret and that's our recipe. You have to always go back to your purpose. Why do you do what you do? What is your mission? And then you take care of your people or the organization, ensure that they are taken care of and heard. Always be ready to pivot, and of course, always pray because, again, do your best, but God will always do the rest for us. So that's it. Thank you so much for listening, and nice to be here this afternoon.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Dawn. Thank you for that inspiring talk. Now, Sir Kenji will discuss how you can start your own Moonleaf or Lunar Cafe. Sir Kenji.
Hello? Clear naman yung voice ko.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Good afternoon, everyone. So, okay pa ba ang lahat? Sige. Bago ako mag-start, may I request to turn on your camera po para magkaroon tayo ng group photo, especially to our lucky attendants for the day. Ayan. Hi, Sir Jobert.
Hello.
Sige, habang inaantay pa natin yung iba.
Hello.
Ayan. Miss Juliana, hi po. Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. So, sige. Ang inaantay lang natin si Sir Richard and Miss Chloe and si Samson. Okay. Ayan. So,
Sorry, may problem po yata
okay.
sa camera ko. Ay po.
Sige. Wait. Sige, baka merong problem lang yung iba sa camera natin. Sige, let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright, sige, sige. Maraming salamat po. Sige. Before I start, sige, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Kenji Kumpa, Senior Business Development Officer here in Moonlight and Lunar Coffee. So if ever do sa mga attendees natin na gustong mag-pursue ng business about Moonlight and Lunar Coffee, isa po ako sa mga tutulong sa inyo to open your store. So, syempre, thank you so much sa introduction natin with Miss Dawn and the team. So, on my part, I will discuss yung mga franchise packages and the inclusions po na in-offer ni Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee. Syempre, first comes to our mind kapag gusto natin to franchise is, how can I be a Moonleaf and Lunar franchise owner, di ba? So, on the next slide, you will see yung ating franchise concept. So, we have kiosk and cafe. For our kiosk, we have two options po. And we have two options. So for the bigger size, we have a minimum of 60 SQM. Start po tayo ng 988,000. While you have a medyo smaller, so ito naman yung drinks only lang po, usually yung kaya niya. So for SQM, 788,000. And take note po yung construction or yung mismong booth po is included na po doon sa ating total package.
So,
franchise is also included. The franchise band po,
excuse me. Can you unmute Richard, please?
50,000, while dun sa ating 4SQM po is 25,000 naman. So for this one po, included na to sa total package natin. Ang maganda po nito is since pag natapos na po yung franchise term natin and wala naman tayong naiwan na mga obligations o PO dun sa ating franchise term, ibabalik naman po namin itong franchise bond natin. And then of course, the marketing support. So lahat po ng collaterals na gagamitin po natin for our store, yung mga flyers, banner ads, etc. So provided na po namin yan. And then the opening assistant po, kasama po ang the whole franchise team po ni Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee. For our training po, 3 staff po for the 6 SQM. And then for the 4 SQM naman po is 2 staff since medyo maliit lang siya. Then we have a uniform po, 3 sets and 2 sets naman for the 4 SQM. Initial stocks worth 20,000 for the 6 SQM. And then for the smaller one is worth 16,000. We have a kitchenware din naman po. So yan, same lang din naman sila, worth 40,000. POS is also included na po. So device and software po na gagamitin natin, cloud na po siya. So mas madali na natin ma-access yung ating inventory and yung ating daily sales. So kahit nasang lugar tayo, makikita na natin to. Even the time in and time out po ni staff natin, mamamonitor natin dito. Then ang maganda pa po nito sa ating POS is free na rin po yung 6-month subscription natin. So after that, may 1,500 lang po tayong babayaran every month. So sealing machine is also included na po dun sa ating cost package. And each package po natin for the 6 SQM worth 16,000. So equipment po kasama na po dyan. Pero if ever po na gusto natin magpadagdag po ng mga stocks po, pwede rin naman. And then Mr. Donuts is also part ng ating package, ma'am and sir. And then the Village Creamery po, kasama na rin yan. And then sa pinagkaiba ng ating kiosk po, yung franchise term po nila. Doon sa ating bigger size po na 6 SQM, 5 years po yung franchise term natin dyan. And doon naman po sa ating 4 SQM is 3 years. Ayan. Sige, next please. And of course, since we have a kiosk, so syempre meron tayong cafe type kung gusto natin may mga dine-in tayo. So makikita natin sa screen natin, construction is not included lang for the cafe. So just to give an idea, ang estimated investment po natin kasama yung ating franchise package na 988,000. Nag-range po siya ng start po tayo 1.5 million to 2.5 million. So ganun po yun. Kasama na rin doon yung magiging construction if ever para may idea lang tayo sa total investment natin. So the franchise fee is also included na sa total package natin. Yung franchise bond po natin, same with the kiosk lang naman po, worth 50,000. And then marketing support, included na rin yan, opening assistance, yung training po natin, medyo mas marami siya since may dining tayo. So 5 staff po yung kailangan natin, minimum natin dyan for the cafe. Yung uniform po natin, 5 sets din naman yan. So if ever po, yung initial stocks natin worth 50,000. Kitchenware, same lang din po, worth 50,000 po yung mga gagamitin natin mga pamluto. and etc. So POS po, same na rin po yung gagamitin natin. Utak POS na rin po. So device and software included na siya. And then same lang din lang po, free 6 month subscription na po. And then after that, 1,500 per month. And then of course, we have a sealing machine. So ayan, di natin kailangan problemahin yan. Kasama na siya. Sugar dispenser para at least makakita natin yung mga medyo meticuloso pagdating sa sugar level. So meron na rin po yan, kasama na po yan. Pipindutin na lang yan. So makukuha mo na yung 0 to 100%. So its package is also included na rin po. Medyo mas malaki lang yung worth of stocks natin dito ng equipment po, nasa 40,000 since coffee type po itong part na ito. So Mr. Donuts is also part na rin po ng ating package. So consignment lang naman po ito. Ang maganda ito, magandang additional na rin po doon sa ating cafe. Village Cream is also kasama na rin yan. Yung gagamitin po nating freezer dyan po, same with the kiosk. So free na rin po yan, magpapahiram po si Selecta. So magandang additional po to sa ating cafe. And then of course yung franchise term po natin for the cafe po. Medyo matagal, 6 years po yung pagsasamahan natin. And then pwede pang mas tumagal yan kapag nag-continue po tayo. And of course, syempre, since dun sa mga attendees natin ngayon na gusto na kunin si Moonleaf and then naka-incorporate si Lunar. So itong maganda po. No need to pay yung the whole franchise package dun sa ating Lunar Coffee. Just additional 80,000 pesos po. For example, 988,000 cafe type plus the 80,000 pesos. So you will get po yung ating equipment and initial stocks po ng ating Lunar Coffee. So imagine po kung gaano kasulit yung ating ngayon incentives and then yung mga pa-promo natin. So if ever po sa mga attendees natin may interested po, later on po pwede tayong pag-usapan natin yan kung gusto natin yung ganitong setup po na merong Moonleaf and Lunar Coffee dun sa ating franchise. Sige, next please. So as you can see po, ito po yung final actual photo ng aming isa sa mga branch natin na pinagmamalaki dito sa Quezon City. So if ever po na makakapunta po kayo dito sa Fairview po, so makikita po natin dyan kung gaano kaganda. And just to give you an idea po, ito po yung aming franchise package for Lunar alone. If ever po na gusto mo naman is coffee shop type rather. So we have two options. So we have a counter kiosk po and the customized cafe. For our counter kiosk po, the construction is included na. So if ever may location na po kayo, plug and play na lang natin yan. And then if ever naman po na gusto mo yung cafe type naman po, so not included lang po yung construction natin dyan. So franchise fees also included na rin po. So by the way, yung counter kiosk natin start po tayo na 898,000 and sa customized cafe is 598,000. And the franchise bond po natin is same lang din naman po sila, worth 25,000. And then after the franchise term po, ibabalik lang din naman po natin to kapag wala po tayo mga pending na POs. So marketing support, ito maganda sa atin. Lahat ng gagamitin din po natin mga online collaterals and then yung mga flyers natin, banner ads, provided na po yan ni Lunar team. So di nyo na po kailangan problemahin na magpagawa pa dun sa labas o kung saan mga graphic artists. So meron kasi tayong mga in-house na graphic artist natin dito sa head office. So opening assistance po natin, syempre kasama ang the whole franchise family po ni Moonleaf. So pag nag-grand opening po tayo, kasama niyo po kami dyan. So for our management and barista training, so dito po yan gaganapin sa ating head office. So 5 days po yung ating training. So if ever po gusto niyo mag-join yung mga franchisee po natin in the future, free naman po kayo. And then yung ating uniform po, 2 sets yan. And then 3 sets naman po for the cafe since medyo mas malaki siya. Initial stocks po, same lang din naman po sila, worth 20,000. Espresso machine and the grinder po, kasama na rin doon. And then yung POS device po, same with the Moonleaf. So ang gamit natin yung Utak POS device and software, kasama na siya. And then free na rin po yung 6-month subscription natin. And meron lang po tayo. After that, the free, meron tayo 1,500 per month po na babayaran na for the POS. So of course, yung kitchenwares and accessories po, kasama na rin siya. And then yung pastries and initial stocks po natin, equipments, is also included na po dun sa ating package for the Lunar Coffee. Ayan, ganun siya kasulit. And then For the franchise term, same lang din naman po ang ating franchise term. 5 years po for the counter kiosk and the customized cafe. Ayan. Ayan. So makikita po natin sa screen natin yung actual design po ng ating kiosk. So if ever po na may time kayo, yung mga malapit po dito sa Quezon City sa Manila, so if ever na gusto niyo i-visit, para mas syempre mas makita natin personally, mas ma-appreciate natin yung kiosk natin. Pwede po yan sa The One Mall dito po sa Espanya sa Manila. So ayan, nag-ooperate na po sila. And then just wanna add lang din yung ating first cafe type po natin, inopen po namin today. So doon po 'yan sa Cambridge, Cainta. So sumalapit po doon sa area na 'yon, sa mga taga Pasig and Cainta, Taytay. So pwede niyo pong i-visit 'yan. So excited kami na makita kayo doon. Ayan. So ganito po yung mga design po natin for, sorry, paki-back na lang. For the cafe type natin. So sobrang cozy siya. So if ever po, ganito yung magiging itsura natin. So, if ever naman po na meron kayong mga gustong suggestion, okay lang din naman po yun kung may mga gusto kayong i-add personally for your store naman po, for the Lunar Coffee. Basta i-approve lang po natin and then hindi lang siya ataliwas doon sa ating branding. Ayan. Siyempre, gusto nating malaman yung ROI and financials natin for the Lunar and Moonleaf. So, average payback natin for the kiosk po natin ng Moonleaf, estimated 12 months. So, pwedeng mas mapabilis pa po yan. It really depends po sa mapipili nating locations. While dun sa ating cafe po, estimated is 24 months yung payback natin dyan. So, pwedeng mas mapabilis, pwedeng mas mapatagal. Well, it really depends din po sa magiging performance din po ni franchisee kung gaano siya ka-focus dun sa ating magiging store. Yan. So of course, high gross margin due to strong product mix. So take note po for the drinks only. Nagre-range po yung profit margin natin diyan na 50 to 60%, ganun kataas. So if ever na ma-maintain po natin to, yung stable yung daily foot traffic natin, mahihit po natin yan from milk tea and coffee. So if ever po, ganyan po yung magiging profit margin natin for our kiosk and cafe type. Next, please. Ayan, so for this one naman po, so I'm sure na syempre gusto nyo rin na may konting pakinggan si Lunar and then si Moonleaf. So for our lucky attendees for this webinar, so we have a 200 franchise waive for webinar attendees natin and this will be valid for application submitted before October 31. So I'm sure na pag-iisipan nyo pa rin po to, but if ever po na makapag-decide po kayo, just let us know lang naman po. And pag-usapan natin ang magiging store niya. Ayan. So, next please. Ayan. For this next step, so syempre, gusto natin makita yung process ng journey natin if ever na gusto natin mag-franchise ng Moonleaf or Lunar Coffee. So first step natin, we need to submit and to sign yung ating application form. So ito naman po is bibigay namin sa inyo individually. And then the second one is yung ating schedule ng meeting po dito po sa head office. So may mga free taste test po tayo. And then konting kwentuhan lang para at least mapag-usapan natin kung ano yung franchise package po na napili natin. And then the third part, yung ating site evaluation. Dito po medyo mahigpit lang tayo sa pag-approve ng location. Siyempre, location is the key, di ba? So alam naman natin yan. So if ever po na-check na namin yung location natin, we will give you yung site evaluation dun sa ating magiging store. Ayan. Then the fourth part, yung ating franchise agreement signing. So gaganapin po yan dito sa ating head office together with our very own Miss Don Marie Sanchez. So kasama natin siya. And then the last part, syempre, pinaka-inaantay natin yung ating store activation and opening. So kasama ang the whole Moonleaf or Lunar family po, sabay-sabay natin i-open yung ating store. So I think that's the last part of my part. So for the next slide po, we will discuss with Miss Lenny po. Thank you so much. Good afternoon.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sir Kenji. Grabe naman. May pa-discount pa tayo, no? Exclusive for today's attendee, 200,000 franchise fee waived for webinar attendees. So, this application, valid for before October 31. So now we'd love to hear from you. If you have any question about franchising, business, feel free to type in the chat or unmute po. Our team is here to assist.
So for those who want to ask question po, you can ask na po. Open na po yung line natin for the questions and answer portion. Sir Jovert, baka may question po sila. Or si Miss Iliana.
Okay naman so far.
Good question.
Ako po, question ko lang po, sa Lunar po, since bago po itong brand, meron na po bang existing branches ang Lunar Coffee?
Hi, ma'am. Yes, meron tayong standalone na 3. So, una sa UST, sa The One, kiosk siya. And then, ngayon, very fresh na grand opening today sa Cainta. So, meron tayong Lunar Coffee doon, cafe siya. And then, soon to open sa UP, sa loob ng UP Diliman, sa UP Dili Mall. So, November yung soon to open niya. So, meron tayong 3 standalone na Lunar Coffee.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Julian. Any question po or kung ano pwede niyo po sa chat box or if ever may mga question pa sa inyo, feel free din to message yung franchise team. May mga number din po kayo.
Nag-a-assist ba rin kayo ng location? Let's say, meron kayong mai-recommenda, for example.
Hello, Sir Jovert. Yes, we are here to support po, no? Our team po nagsusupport ng location library. So may tinatawag kaming location assistant and location library. So ngayon meron po kaming 3 approved locations. So feel free po to message us after po ng meeting natin para po pwede naming may sense inyo kung saan po yung target area nyo. Yeah, may pre-approved and nag-assist din kami.
Sir Jovert, may I know po, saan po ba yung target area natin para just in case ma-check po namin sa location library natin? Baka sakali sir, meron tayong available.
Wala namang particular na location kaming na ano. Actually, nakita namin yung Lunar Coffee niyo sa Dawan kasi nasa taga-University Belt area ako. So, doon namin kayo nakita.
Malapit lang sir.
So,
So Simulif sir, na-try mo na ba sir?
hindi pa.
Ayun. Sir, if ever sir may time ka, invite sana kita dito sa head office para to personally ma-meet kita and then mapatikim ko sa iyo yung product natin. Possible kaya sir?
Sure. Yeah. I-arrange ko sa misis ko. So, gusto ko kasi dalawa kami ng misis ko.
Sama mo sa yung family mo sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sige Sir Jover, pwede niyo po isama para at least matry natin yung product. And any questions po?
Okay. Since sa ngayon wala pong question, no? Feel free po to message us. So may mga contact details niyo naman po kami. Pwede rin kayo mag-message sa Muli Franchise and yung sa franchise team. So for now, thank you so much for joining our coffee business webinar. We hope you're inspired to begin your own success story with Moonleaf or Lunar. Thanks so much. Bye.
Thank you so much everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.